the UN protocol on Article 3 or so speaks about human trafficking. And Ghana, we've codified it into our municipal law. That is our Human Trafficking Act of 2005. Yes, and there are other international conventions, like the International Convention for Civil Rights, ICCPR, and all that. All those rights are conventions and protocols that we ascribe to as a state. And for our constitution, to whenever there is any international protocol or convention, we assimilate it by passing a law to that effect, where it becomes part of our laws. You can't charge someone based on international protocol. It has to be assimilated into our local municipal laws. So basically, that's how this case here will play out.
This is Adentan Court Complex in Frafraha, Accra, Ghana, the court where charges have been brought against three persons: James Akon, also known as Mayor, Rick Daniel, also known as Chairman, and Jerry, who is currently at large. And these charges: conspiracy to commit crime, namely prohibition of human trafficking, contrary to sections 23, subsection 1 of the Criminal Offences Act 1960, Act 29, and the Human Trafficking Act 2005, Act 695 of Ghana. Now, these charges were brought against them when we followed the disappearance of two boys from their residence in Ikota, Lagos, Nigeria, Zeal and Daniel, who were both trafficked from their house in Nigeria to across the border, Ghana here. And New Central, on top of that investigation, led to the discovery and rescue of these two boys and several others who were found in their within their premises, the premises where they were held against their will. Now, these charges have been brought against the culprits who made appearance today. The charges have been taken to the High Court for allocation. What we hear today is that before the end of today, allocation would come regarding which court and which judge should hear this case, or who should sit on this matter. And hopefully at the start of work tomorrow, Friday, we would then begin to hear the case being called up in court. These boys too will, the determination as to whether or not these boys will be released to whomever that is concerned would also be done tomorrow. I am Marshall-Anthoni Ononye for New Central.